Understanding Settlement Timetable, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to delve into a fascinating phrase that often appears in financial and legal contexts: settlement timetable. Understanding this term can be incredibly helpful. Whether you're navigating through contracts, involved in financial transactions, or just expanding your English vocabulary. Let's break it down together, ensuring you can grasp and use this term confidently in your conversations and writings. First, let's dissect the phrase settlement timetable into its two components: settlement and timetable. Settlement refers to the process of resolving a transaction or dispute. In financial terms, it's when the buyer pays the seller, and the seller transfers ownership of the item or service. In legal terms, it can mean resolving a lawsuit outside of court. Timetable indicates a schedule or a plan that outlines when specific events are to occur. It's like a calendar for events, outlining the when aspect of plans. Combining these, a settlement timetable refers to the scheduled plan or timeline for completing the settlement process of a transaction or resolving a dispute. Knowing about settlement timetables is crucial for several reasons. Preparation. Understanding the timeline helps all parties prepare their necessary documents, payments, and other requirements ahead of time. Expectations. It sets clear expectations on when the transaction or dispute will be resolved, aiding in planning and decision-making. Accountability. A defined timetable holds all parties accountable for meeting their obligations on time, which is essential for maintaining trust and efficiency in any agreement. Let's put this into context with some real-life examples. In buying a house, the settlement timetable would outline when the buyer needs to secure financing, when inspections should be completed, and the final closing date when the property officially changes hands. In resolving a legal dispute through settlement, the timetable would detail deadlines for submitting evidence, negotiation meetings, and the final date by which the agreement must be signed. I hope this breakdown helps you understand what a settlement timetable is and why it's a significant term in both financial and legal contexts. With this knowledge, you can better navigate agreements, contracts, and any discussions that involve planning and resolving transactions or disputes. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has been enlightening. Keep learning, and see you in our next video.